day it is! Good morning, children. Did you sleep well?
Okay, coffee is ready.
Come on, put this on. It's sunny.
Can you find her shoe?
I hope we have taken all that we need.
I'm sure we have, dear.
Let's go! I'm ready! Are we there yet?
Not yet, kids.
We're getting close, I think. I spy with my little eye something green.
Is it the trees outside?
Wow, big beach!
The air smells like wood chips, popcorn, and a faint hint of hay.
Dad, we are inside now. I want to see the monkeys.
Let's take a picture here.
Dad, look at him swinging. Do you like it?
Mia, why are you so awestruck?
Mom, look! The flamingo's standing on one leg. Did you take a picture?
They look like giant house cats, but they are one of the most compelling large carnivores on Earth.
The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal.
Why don't their stripes line up like a puzzle?
Look, there are some more over there. They are all coming this way. They look so good.
Look! A mother elephant is spraying her calf with dust to keep cool.
Elephants are the world's largest living land animals, weighing in at up to 7.5 tons.
Dad, how something so big can move so slowly. It is so strange.
Okay, son. Wash your hands properly.
Look, these are reptiles. They are cold-blooded vertebrates with dry, scaly skin. These are penguins. Though they are birds, penguins have flippers instead of wings. They cannot fly, and on land, they waddle.
Look, Mia, they are so cute. Look at the bluebird.
Mom, look!
she likes it.
They look so scary. Leo, are you scared?
Yes, Mom, I am scared. Look at these butterflies. They have such bright colors.
Mom, look, they are so beautiful. Mom, I am feeling tired now.
Okay, sweetie, let's take a little rest.
Buy something as a reminder of the fun you had at the zoo today.
You can pick one thing under $10.
Now we have to find our way out to the parking lot.
Dad, are we going home now?
Yes, we are. Are you tired?
Dad, how far is our parking lot?
The car is like a sauna inside.
They are so tired, they already fell asleep. You go and get Mia.
Mia, you need to take a good bath. It will help you sleep well and relax.
Have your bath quickly, then we shall have dinner.
Eat well, children. You must be really hungry.
Have your dinner and go to bed. You must be really tired.
Wow, look at these pictures.
Thanks, dear. We had such a lovely day today.
Yes, it was indeed a remarkable day.
Good night, dear.